Osas. Osas.
What is it now? You know I'm busy.
Osas, you know now.
No what? Oh, I cannot help you in your drawing, so just maybe go and ask one question.
Please now, if you don't help me, I'll not help you in your science.
Science what? Is it not something that just needs one more question?
Which question is that?
I don't know, the teacher went to go and write what is high blood pressure in children.
High blood pressure in children. I thought high blood pressure was only in adults.
As in, the high blood pressure is only for the old now.
Maybe she wanted to write another thing.
Maybe she wanted to write that high blood pressure is caused by you talking too much.
You're not serious. Let's ask mommy.
And what is it you want to ask mommy this time?
Mom, is there anything like high blood pressure in children?
Yes, definitely.
So how do you get this high blood?
Okay, high blood pressure in children is mostly caused by obesity and terminal diseases.
Okay, so how do you prevent it?
Well, you can prevent high blood pressure by eating less fat and saturated fat. You can also prevent it by eating lots of fruit and vegetables. You know you don't like eating vegetables.
What?
Yes.
Vegetables are delicious.
I know, but it helps, okay? It does help.
We already served as an expo already.
Okay, I'm not just telling you this for you to pass your studies, okay?
Yes.
I'm also telling you this so you become healthy kids, because healthy kids learn better. Good. Great. All right, go on. I hope I've answered your question.
Yes, thank you, Mom. Bianca, when I laugh, me, I'll not get high blood pressure.
You're not serious. Now you're going to help me with my assignments.
Please go and do your assignment by yourself, oh.
But this is not fair.
Leave it alone.
Most people think that high blood pressure is a condition for older people. The truth is, it actually affects people of all age, including children. Blood pressure is the force of blood that flows through the blood vessels to the body. Under normal condition, the heart pumps blood through the blood vessels all over the body. The blood vessels widens and contracts as needed to keep the flow of blood healthy. But in people with hypertension, the blood pushes too hard against the blood vessels, which causes damage to the vessels, the heart, and other organs of the body. High blood pressure in children is categorized into 4 stages: normal, pre-hypertension stage, stage 1 hypertension, and stage 2 hypertension. It varies based on sex, age, and the height of the child. The question then is, why are children suffering from this condition? The simple reason is the link between fatness and blood pressure. In other words, when a child is obese, blood pressure follows. Unhealthy snacks, sodas, and many hours of playing video games can contribute to high blood pressure. This condition is striking more children, risking their potentials and future. So many children are now suffering from stroke, heart disease, and kidney failure. This trend is worrying and must be stopped. The most risky factors of primary hypertension in children are poor diet and lack of exercise. Therefore, to prevent primary hypertension in children, obesity must be controlled. Change the risk factor. If your child is overweight or obese, help that child to lose weight with healthy diet and exercise. The good news is children who eat healthier diets and regular exercise are less likely to develop high blood pressure, even when they are genetically prone to it. Get your children's blood pressure checked. Children from age 3 and older should get their blood pressure checked. As a parent, you must be aware that high blood pressure is a serious threat to the health of children. Remember, healthy kids learn better. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share with families and friends. Also do well to click on the notification button so you'll be the first person to know whenever we post new content, and don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section.